Hi guys, I'm doing an unboxing real quick. I got this from Miniso, I don't know, a bit ago. It was $10, and I'm not entirely sure what it is, but it's a blind box Harry Potter, so I guess those are the different ones that you can get. I opened the box already so that I could do this one-handed. I'm not sure if these are what we get. We'll find out right now. I tore the bag open, but didn't look in it or take anything out of it, just so that I could hold my camera while I'm doing this. So they're like cookies. That's really fun. Oh, they're magnets. I don't what. Does it say magnets? My problem is that yeah, I'm not sure if I knew it was magnets. So that's fun. They're like cookies but magnets. I think I would have loved to get the liquid luck, but I don't know, they're all pretty fun. Have you guys seen these at Miniso or online? If so, which one did you get if you bought one? It says ages 15 plus. Wow, that's weird. The Monster Book of Monsters is cool too.